everyone, Chef Patty here with AvMed Health, and today I'm going to share with you how I make my pecan bites. So this is what I make when I am in the mood for like a little nutty dessert or a pecan pie, but don't necessarily want to make the whole pie. These are great. They come together in minutes. They last in the fridge 5 to 6 days. So sometimes after dinner, I don't want to like overindulge. I just want a little sweet something. And this is perfect. So let's get started. We don't need a lot of ingredients. I have a cup of chopped pecans that I quickly toasted. And this is going in a bowl. So I've got my pecans right here. 1 egg. I've got some brown sugar going in, light corn syrup. And this is also great if you are going to someone's house for the holidays and you want to take a hostess gift, or you're in charge of dessert. It's easy. So if you're making a lot of other dishes, this one, like I said, comes together in minutes. All right, I have vanilla. And you can use vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste. And then last but not least, I've got a little bit of melted butter. I have 2 teaspoons, that is nothing. So this is gonna help with flavor. It's gonna give it that glossy shine. And just kind of help it make it even better. So we are gonna combine our ingredients. And if your diet allows alcohol, you can always add a little, like just a little shot of bourbon. So bourbon and pecans and chocolate, it's a perfect marriage. They go really well together. I am making these here right now without any alcohol. And the filling is done. That easy. All right, let me show you my little pie shells, and these are these cute little tarts, and they come in a box like this. So simple, guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this recipe. And when you make it, let us know here at AvMed. We want to know if you love it, what you thought, if there's anything specific that you want us to share with you. So you see these? I'm filling them, and then they're gonna bake in your oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. That is it. So I'll finish filling these later, but I just wanted to show you. Super cute, really yummy, and it's the perfect size. So you know the drill. If you've been with us for a while, you know that I already have something made ahead of time. So I've got these cute little bites baked. You see? They're so yummy. The only thing you can do now, if you want to, and this is 100% optional, is I've got some chocolate sauce. So I usually don't drizzle them with chocolate sometimes if I'm just gonna have them at home to kind of pick on for the week. But if I am serving this as a dessert, or maybe during the holidays just to make it extra special, then I do wanna drizzle it with a little chocolate. And that is it. Here you go, my friends. I made the pecan bites, I added a little chocolate, and that's it. I hope you love this recipe. I hope you make it at home, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.